What's going on, everybody? I'm that driving guy, and my office gets me where I'm going. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, hit all. That way you're notified every time I drop a video. So, today is the launch of the first Dash Mart on the East Coast, and they're doing it in the city, and that's Manhattan. So, if you're not aware, a Dash Mart is basically like a convenience store that you go to and you can go and shop. And it has everything in it that you will be able to order from DoorDash. They're also offering 15-minute delivery. So they're hiring employees to do 10 to 15-minute deliveries as well. At least 3 other companies have been doing deliveries like this for years, and they've all been using employees as well. So to match that, DoorDash is also using employees to do these deliveries, and they'll have all the benefits of employees. So what would this mean for us who do this full time? So it could go one or two ways. It could mean one or two things. Either the employees would be able to take those smaller orders, and then we would have better orders more often without having to decline those all the time. So that's one thing that could possibly happen, which would be a good thing. But another thing that can happen is that as they expand into other markets, they start to use the employees more, and that could possibly leave us gig workers out in the cold. So that's another way that it can go. I'm not really sure. Let me know what you all think. Drop it in the comments, and hopefully it will be the first. It will be the first thing. Them taking the smaller orders, because the alternative might mean that we might have to hustle a different type of way, or go somewhere else. Who knows? Let's see. But drop it in the comments. Let me know what you all think. And again, I appreciate y'all, and I'ma holla.